A step-by-step walkthrough of the November 2018 Edexcel Foundation GCSE Maths Paper 3. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay, before we begin, you can download the paper from the description down below. Every past paper walkthrough is down there in one playlist. I'll link useful playlists and videos to help with topics on this paper, and also down there is my brand new formula booklet for GCSE Maths, so check this out if you haven't already. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay then, number 1. So write a number in each box to make each calculation correct. So, 1, 56.3 add blank is equal to 100. So to work that one out, we want to do 100 minus 56.3, and we get 43.7. Okay, then part 2, 2 sevenths add blank is equal to 1. So 1 is 7 sevenths, so we need 5 sevenths more. Okay, number 2, write 3% as a fraction. So percent means per 100, so 3% is 3 hundredths. Number 3, we want to find the square root of 1.44. Work it in your calculator and we will get 1.2. For number 3, it's just worth pointing out, if that was worth 2 marks, we would also need minus 1.2. Minus 1.2 times minus 1.2 is also 1.44. As it's only 1 mark though, we only need positive 1.2. Okay, then number 4, work out 1/8 of 720. So on your calculator you can either do 1/8 times 720 or 720 divided by 8 and you will get 90. Okay, number 5. So here is a 3D shape. Part A, write down the name of this 3D shape. Okay, so it's a cuboid. Part B, write down the number of edges of this 3D shape. So an edge is essentially any line that you need to draw the shape. So this guy has 12 edges. Okay, number 6. An ordinary fair dice is thrown once. Part A, on the probability scale below, mark with a cross the probability that the dice lands on an odd number. Okay, so on a 6-sided dice there are 3 odd and 3 even numbers, so the probability is 1/2. Okay, then part B, write down the probability that the dice lands on a number greater than 4. So the numbers greater than 4 are 5 and 6. That makes up 2 out of 6 possibilities. So it's 2 6, which is 1/3. Okay, number 7. We are told Sean is 1.88 meters tall. David is 6 centimeters taller than Sean. How tall is David? Okay, so really here we need to convert one unit into the other. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so Sean is 188 centimeters. So David is 6 centimeters taller. So David then is going to be 194 centimeters. Or 1.94 meters. Either one of those is fine. Okay, number 8. We are told 2 pens cost £2.38. 5 folders cost £5.60. Ben wants to buy 20 pens and 20 folders. He only has £50. Does Ben have enough money to buy 20 pens and 20 folders? You must show how you get your answer. Okay, so to buy 20 pens, he's going to need to buy 10 lots of 2 pens. So 20 pens is going to cost 10 times £2.38. Which is £23.80p. Then to buy 20 folders, he's going to need to buy 4 lots of 5 folders. So that's going to be 4 times £5.60. So that's going to cost £22.40p. Okay. So we now need to work out the total cost. So remember you can use your calculator. 23.80 add 22.40 that's going to give us £46.20p. So, does he have enough money? Yes. Okay, number 9. The diagram shows 5 shapes on a centimetre grid. Part A, I'm just to write down the name of shape E. So, shape E, even though it sort of looks like it's upside down, it's a trapezium. Okay, then part B tells us 2 of the shapes are congruent. Write down the letters of these 2 shapes. So, congruent means exactly the same. So it's going to be the two right-angled triangles, which are C and D. Okay, then number 10. So we have this L shape on the grid. So on the grid, reflect the shaded shape in the mirror line. Okay, so the shape is set on the mirror line. So it's just going to be like that. So the real thing, use a ruler, but there you go, that's how it looks. Okay, then number 11. We are told there are men and women at a meeting. There are 28 women. 30% of the people at the meeting are men. Work out the total number of people at the meeting. Okay, so this is reverse percentages. So if we know 30% of the people at the meeting are men, 70% are women. So we know 70% of the total is equal to 28. So we want to know how many people are in the meeting in total. So we need to try and turn 70% into 100%. So we first of all need to divide down to a percentage that also goes into 100%. So 10%. So if we divide by 7, we get 10% is equal to 4, and then multiply by 10, 100% is then going to be 40 people. Cool. Okay, then for number 12, we are told that Joan asked each of 60 people to name their favourite vegetable. Yummy. So here are her results. So 24 people said peas, 16 people said carrots, 20 people said mushrooms. We want to draw an accurate pie chart for our results. So what we need to do here then is work out how many degrees each person is worth. So there are 60 people. Now the 60 people need to make up 360 degrees. So if 60 people make up 360 degrees, if we divide by 60, one person is 6 degrees. So if we put an extra column in the table, for the degrees, then we multiply the frequency by 6. So 6 times 24 is 144. 6 times 16 is 96. And 6 times 20 is 120. So those are the degrees for the sectors of our pie chart. So you're going to need a protractor. Now, okay, so your sectors should look something like this, Now, very important, don't forget to label them. So this guy is peas. This guy is carrots. And then mushrooms. Okay, number 13, Annie sold 45 books at £1.20 each, 34 candles at £1.50 each, some calendars at 90p each. She got a total of £150. Work out how many calendars Annie sold. Okay, so if we work out how much money she made from books, how much money she made from candles, add them together, take that away from 150 and then divide that by 90p, jobs are given. So 45 times £1.20 . Now again, remember it's calculator paper, so that is going to be £54. Then for the calendars, 34 times 150 is going to be £51. Now if we add those together, we get £105. Okay, so the money made from calendars is the total she made, so 150 minus 105, which is £45. So we then want to do £45 divided by 90p, so £0.9. And that is going to give us 50. So she sold 50 calendars. Okay, number 14. So we have a four-sided spinner. So the spinner has the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4. The table shows the probabilities that when the spinner is spun, it will land on 1, on 3 and on 4. So not on 2. So the spinner is spun once. Work out the probability the spinner will land on 2. Okay, so probability adds up to 1. So if we add up the probabilities for 1, 3 and 4, so 0.2 add 0.4 add 0.1 is 0.7. So we can then say the probability of 2 is 1 minus 0.7, so 0.3. Okay, then for part B, we were asked which number is the spinner least likely to land on. So that's the number with the smallest probability, so that's 4. Okay, then for part C, we are told Jack is going to spin the spinner 60 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times the spinner will land on 1. So, to do that, we just do the probability times the number of times the spinner is going to be spun. So, 0.2 times 60, which gives us 12. Okay, number 15. Bat has 100 cards. There is a whole number from 1 to 100 on each card. No cards have the same number, so every number between 1 and 100 is used. Bat puts a star on every card that has a multiple of 3 on it. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. Bat puts a circle on every card that has a multiple of 5 on it. Work out how many cards have both the star and the circle on them. Okay, so really we need to work out the lowest common multiple of 3 and 5. Which is 15. So, there is going to be a star and a circle on every multiple of 15. So, we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90. So, there are going to be 6 cards. Okay, number 16. We want to write down the ratio of 450 grams to 15 grams. Give your answer in its simplest form. So, okay, so we have 450 grams. Now, because we're doing grams to grams, we don't actually need the grams in the ratio. So we can just write this as 450 to 15. Okay, so we want to cancel out any common factors. So both sides have a factor of 5. So if we divide both sides by that, we would get 90 to 3. Then there's a common factor of 3, so it's 30 to 1. Okay, number 17. So the diagram shows a pentagon. The pentagon has one line of symmetry. So that means it's not a regular pentagon. You can see that. So we're told that AE is 4x, AB is 2x add 1, BC is x add 2. All the measurements are given in centimetres. The perimeter of the pentagon is 18 centimetres. Part A, show that 10x add 6 is equal to 18. Okay, so forming and solving equations. So, again then, we are told AE is 4x. So, AE is down here. We are told that AB is 2x add 1. So that is that guy there. Now because we know we have one line of symmetry, the line of symmetry is going to be down through the centre. Let's try that again. So we also know the length on the right is also 2x add 1. Okay, and then we're told BC is x add 2. So again, by this symmetry, we know both of these are x add 2. Okay, so what we now need to do is find the perimeter in terms of x. So the perimeter in terms of x is going to be 4x add 2 lots of 2x add 1. Add 2 lots of x add 2. Okay, so we have 4x add 4x add 2 add 2x add 4. So altogether we have 4x add 4x add 2x, so that's 10x. And we have 2 add 4, which on a good day is 6. Now we also know as a number the perimeter is 18. Therefore, 10x add 6 does equal 18. Given part B, of course we want to find the value of x. So we've formed the equation, now we want to solve it. So 10x add 6 is equal to 18. Take away the 6, 10x is equal to 12. And then divide by 10, x is 1.2. Cool. Okay, number 18. Trevor buys a boat. The cost of the boat is 14,200 plus VAT at 20%. Straight away, let's stop there. Let's work out the total cost. So, let's find 20% of 14,200. So remember to calculate paper, so you can just do 0.2 times 14,200. And that is going to give you 2,840 pounds. So the total cost is 14,200 add 2,840. So that's gonna be 17,040. Now a quick way to have done that would have just been to do 14,200 times 1.2. Okay, so Trevor pays a deposit of £5,000. He pays the rest of the cost in 10 equal payments. Work out the amount of each of the 10 payments. Okay. So, we're now going to take off the deposit. So, 17,040 minus £5,000 is 12,040. Okay, so he's going to pay that in 10 equal payments. So we then do 12,040 divided by 10, which is £1,204. Okay, then for number 19. So 19a, on the number line, show the inequality x is strictly less than 4. So when it's a strict inequality, you put a hollow circle above the number, and then you put an arrow in the direction of the values x can be. So it doesn't really need to go all the way along the line. Just an arrow off to the left, like that. Okay, then we're told that y is strictly greater than 3, but less than or equal to 7, where y is an integer, so a whole number. We want to write down all the possible values of y. So y cannot be 3, but it can be 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then part C, we want to solve 3x add 5 is greater than or equal to x add 17. Okay. So, solving inequalities is just like solving equations. So, we want to get it so that there's only one x term throughout this whole thing. So I'm going to move this x. Now it's positive x, so to get rid of it, I subtract x from both sides. So on the left, I'm now going to have 2x add 5 is greater than or equal to 17. Now, we need to get rid of the 5, so it's a plus 5. To get rid of it, we subtract 5, so 2x is greater than or equal to 12, so x. Now we now divide by 2, so x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, number 20, so these are the start of the questions, also on the higher paper. So 28, correct 7,357, correct 3 sig figs. So the 5 is the third significant figure. There's a 7 after it, so he needs to round up to a 6. So we get 7,360. Part B wants us to work out the square root of 17 add 4 squared over 7.3 squared. Write down all the figures on your calculator display. Okay, so I simplified the top 4 squared is 16, 17 add 16 is 33. So I put in root 33 over 7.3 squared. Make sure you can get the same answer. Number 21. So, last year, Jo paid £245 for her car insurance. This year, she has to pay £883 for her car insurance. Work out the percentage increase in the cost of her car insurance. So there's lots of ways we could do this. Probably the way that you guys are going to like the most is probably to first of all find the increase as an amount. So for that we need to do so the increase is £883 minus £245. So that is going to give us £638. Now, to get that as a percentage increase, we find the increase, or we think of the increase as a fraction of the original cost. So 638 over 245. Now that is going to give us 2.604. So what we then need to do is 2.604 times 100. So that is 260.4%. Number 22a. Complete the table of values for y equals x squared and x minus 4. Okay, so what that means is we need to find the values of y when x is equal to certain numbers. So the first one we need to do is when x is equal to minus 3. Now, if you're using your calculator to do this, you need to be really careful when you put in the minus 3. So we would want to put in y is equal to, in brackets, minus 3 with the square on the outside, add minus 3, again really in brackets, and then minus 4. So that's going to give us 9, minus 7, so that's going to give us 2. Okay, now when x is 0, x squared and x disappear, so we just get minus 4. When x is 2, we get 2 squared, which is 4, add 2, which is 6, minus 4 is 2. And when x is 3, x squared is 9, add 3 is 12, minus 4 is 8. Okay, then part B. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals x squared and x minus 4 for values of x from minus 3 to 3. Okay, so we need to plot each of our points from the table above. So the first one is minus 3, 2. So be careful with the scale going up every big square is worth 5, so every 2 little squares is worth 1. So we want minus 3, 2, so that is going to be that point there. Then we want minus 2, minus 2. So that's going to be there. And then we want minus 1, minus 4. So minus 4 is going to be there. We also had 0, minus 4. So that's there. We then had 1, minus 2. We then had 2, 2. And then we had 3, 8. So 8 is going to be there. So that is how our points should look. Now, we need to join these up. Now it's quadratic, so it's a curve. So don't use a ruler. Try doing it freehand. So this probably isn't going to go very well. We'll have a go. Okay, so it should look something like that. Yours probably looks prettier, but that will do. Okay, then for part C, now we want to use the graph to estimate a solution of x squared and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So graphs are equal to 0 where they cross the x-axis. So we're going to get 2 possibilities here. We're going to get this guy, which is about minus 2.6, and we're also going to get this guy over here, which is about positive 1.6. So those would be the 2 answers for part C. Okay, number 23, bit of a pain. So Fran asks each of 40 students how many books they bought last year. The chart below shows information about the number of books bought by each of the 40 students. So, part A says work out the percentage of these students who bought 20 or more books. So if we look along the bottom, we got 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. So we only care about 20 to 24. So if we look at the frequency of that, it was 2. So as a fraction, it's 2 out of 40, which is 0.05, which is 5%. Okay, and for part B. Okay, so part B is like getting averages from frequency tables, in particular grouped frequency tables. So my playlist is down below. The only thing is, we don't have the table, our information is in a chart. So, part B. So that an estimate for the mean number of books bought is 9.5. You must show all your working. Okay, so, in the table, our information is in groups. It's not specific values. So when you have a grouped frequency table, the first thing you need to do is find the midpoint of each group. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So the midpoints. Okay. So 0 to 4 is going to be 2. 5 to 9 is 7. 10 to 14 is 12. 15 to 19 is 17. 20 to 24 is 22. So the reason we find the midpoint is it works as sort of the mean amount from each group. So let's write those down. So we got 2, 7, 12. 17 and 22. Okay, the next thing we need is the frequency for each group. So, we know the last one was 2. What about the others? Okay, so the first one is 11. The second one is 8. Third one is 13, and the fourth one is 6. Okay, the next thing we do is we try to get an estimate for the total number of books bought. So to do that, we do the midpoints times the frequencies. So 2 times 11 is 22. 7 times 8 is 56. 12 times 13 is a number, 156. 17 times 6, again is a number, 102. And then 22 times 2, I can do that one, that's 44. Okay, so these numbers, in red, are an estimate for the number of books bought in each interval. So if we add them up, we get an estimate for the total number of books bought by the 40 students. So, again, calculator paper, remember. So we should get 380. So then the mean is the total divided by the number of students, 380 divided by 40, which is indeed 9.5. Okay, number 24. Laura is a skier. She completed a ski race in 1 minute 54 seconds. The race was 475 meters in length. Laura assumes that her average speed is the same for each race. Part A, using this assumption, work out how long Laura should take to complete a 700-meter race. Give your answer in minutes and seconds. Okay, so the way that I did this is to, first of all, work out how long the first race took her in seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, 60 add 54 is 114 seconds. So from that, she can go 475 meters in 114 seconds. So this is a little bit like reverse percentages. We want to turn 475 meters into 700. So if we divide both bits by 475, she will go 1 meter in 0.24 seconds, and then multiply both bits by 700. She will go 700 meters in 168 seconds. Now the question wants the answer in minutes and seconds. So 2 minutes is 120 seconds. So this is 2 minutes 48 seconds. Okay, then for part B, we are told that Laura's average speed actually increases the further she goes. How does this affect your answer to part A? So, she's going to be going further in the 700-meter race, which means she's going to be going faster, so she's going to take less time than we have calculated. So, that would be your answer. I'm not going to bother writing it. She's going to take less time because she's going to be going faster. Okay, 25. So this is a nice combination. I say nice, it's quite horrible. It's a combination of ratio and sock tower. So my sock tower playlist will be down below. So ABC is a right angle triangle. We're told that AC is 14 centimeters. Angle C is 90 degrees. The size of angle B to the size of angle A is 3 to 2. Work out the length AB. Give your answer correct to 3, 6, 6. Okay, so AB is this length here, so let's call it X. So, what we need to do is work out the size of either angle B or angle A. Then we will have one angle and one side. Then we can use sock tower to work out what we want. So, angles in a triangle, remember, add up to 180. So we know that A plus B has to be 90. So we want to split 90 in the ratio B to A, which is 3 to 2. So, to do that, add the parts of the ratio. So 3 add 2 to 5. We then need to know how many lots of that are in 90. So 90 divided by 5 is 18. That tells us there are 18 lots of this ratio in 90. So angle B is 18 times 3, which is 54 degrees. That then makes angle A, 2 times 18, 18 times 2, it's 36 degrees. So now that we know the angles, so 54, 36, we can now use tutor to work out A, B. So, doesn't matter which angle we use, I'm going to use angle A, why not? So, with respect to angle A, 14 length is the adjacent, and what we're looking for is the hypotenuse. So, we then ask, tutor, is it so, S-O-H, no, ca, C-A-H, yes. So, ca tells us cos of 36 is equal to the adjacent, which is 14, over the hypotenuse, which is x. Okay, now we want to get x on its own, so we definitely do not want it on the bottom of this fraction, so we multiply both sides by x, so we get x cos 36 is equal to 14, and then we want to get x on its own, so divide by cos 36, so x is 14 over cos 36. So, definitely time for a calculator now. So, 14 divided by cos 36 is equal to 17.30 blah blah blah. We want it to 3 sig figs, so it's 17.3 centimeters. Day number 26, final question. We have a sequence, so my sequences playlist is down below. So here are the first 4 terms of an arithmetic sequence. All that arithmetic means is we add the same amount each time. So our sequence is 5, 11, 17, 23. Write down an expression in terms of n for the nth term of the sequence. Okay, so the first thing is to find how we're getting from term to term. So we got 5, 11, 17, 23. So we're adding 6 each time. That means then the sequence is something to do with 6n. Now, n is the term number. For the first term, n is equal to 1. So, if we do 6 times 1, we get 6. We need 5. So we then need to subtract 1. So, we can check that works. 6n minus 1. For the second term, n is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Minus 1 is 11. So, that is our guy. Alright heroes, that's the end of this paper. If you found this helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, get subscribed, it really helps the channel. Don't forget to share with your friends. The mission is to help as many people as possible. If you have any requests, let me know down below. The June 2019 papers will be here as soon as they can be. For now, take it easy, take care, have a great day.